Hello, you're welcome back. We're still treating circle theorems. We have another two questions on the board. Question number one. In question number one, we have to find the value of x. We are given triangle PST. And also, we have a PSRQ as a cyclic quadrilateral. That's the four-sided figure in a circle, with all the vertices touching the circumference. So let's go ahead. We know that PST is a triangle, and we already know the two angles there. That is 81 and 22. So PST should be equal to 180 degrees minus 81 plus 22 degrees. And that will give us 180 minus, if you add it, that will give us 103 degrees. Now, and that is 180, 180, 103. This is 7. That's 7 degrees. Okay. So that means angle S is 77 degrees. Now, but we know that PST plus PQR, that is this angle here plus this X will give us 180 degrees. The reason opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. And that means that we're not saying that we're saying that PST, which I've gotten at 77 degrees, plus PQR, which is X, is equal to 180 degrees. And that means that our X should be equal to 180 degrees minus 77 degrees. I think that will give us 103 degrees. Therefore, X is equal to 103 degrees. 103 degrees as the answer to that. So we are now going over to question. We are looking for this X. So we have gotten our X to be 103 degrees. Okay. So we'll go over to question number 2. Question number 2. In question number 2, you can see that we are looking for this X. And again, SR is parallel to PQ. So because of that, the angle here will be equal to the angle here. Reason, they are alternate angles. That is PSR. PSR is equal to is it PPP? Is QSR. QSR is equal to SQP. SQP, which is equal to X. That is the angle here will be equal to this angle. And our reason is they are alternate angles. But we are told that QS bisects PQR. QS bisects PQR. That means if this is X, this is another X. So, and we are trying to find the value of X. Okay? So we now have, we have to draw something like this to show that this is not the original line. So in this case, we discover that the angle here is the same thing as this angle. That is PRQ is equal to QSP is equal to QSP. The reason angles in the same segment. Angles in the same segment. That is, if you check, you discover that this is a segment and this one is a segment. So the angle here must be equal to this small angle. This angle here. So if this is 60, this is 60. Okay? So to continue, we know that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That is, they add up to 180. In other words, we are saying that PSR, that is the whole of this angle, plus PQR plus PQR is equal to 180 degrees. Opposite angles of a cyclic chord. Okay. So which means, coming back from here, we have that means from there we have a PSR. PSR should be X plus 60, because I've said it earlier that this angle is equal to this angle. Angles in the same segment, or angles obtained by the same arc. That is this arc. So X plus 60 plus X plus X plus X plus X equal to 180. So that means that this will give us 3X plus 60 degrees equal to 180 degrees. And that will give us 3X equal to 180 degrees minus 60. And that is 120 degrees. So for us to continue, it means that 3X is 120 degrees. Therefore, X is equal to 120 degrees all over 3. We divide, and that will give us 40 degrees, which is what we are looking for. So our X is 40 degrees, and I've explained how we got everything. So that is the end of question number 2, and that's the end of the questions. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, you put it in the comment section. Thank you.